Hello, today I am preparing for Stamperama on Sunday. We're selling papercraft supplies and I'll probably bring some planner supplies too. So I'm sat here in front of our cupboard full of stock. I've got a box here of bits and pieces which I already had packed from the Mulberry Bush Craft Festival that I did a couple of weeks ago. So I need to sort through everything and just check I've got what I need and figure out what else we need to bring. So this one here is a few embellishments. So I just need to check what stock we've got in there and then add in anything else that we want to bring. I've got my apron, which has the StickerKitten logo on it, which James got for me one Christmas. Cash tin, card reader, which needs charging. Here I've got our tub where we put seconds, so things that aren't quite right that we sell at a discount. So I've got mainly stickers in there, so big stickers like these. There's nothing wrong with them, we just changed the material that we wanted to use for the final product to make them waterproof, so these ones are perfectly fine, they're just not waterproof. I've got a pen and a notebook somewhere so I can write down what we sell. Tablecloth, and we're bringing our own table, which is the paste table, so I need to get that out. And then in this big box here I've got stock, so I've got lots of stamp sets and I've got some paper packs. So what I need to do this afternoon is just go through and pull out all the boxes of stamps in the cupboard. We don't have that many boxes, they don't take up that much space, so I'll bring all the stamps. But paper packs, I've got 5 of each in here that I packed for the craft festival, and I probably want to take maybe, I don't know, 10 or 15 packs of each design. So I've got a couple more boxes to pack up. I also need to bring the planners. I need to check all the signage and make sure we've got the right thing. So I have these little signs here that just stand up on their own with all the prices on. And I was also thinking about making up some lucky dip bags as well, because if people are anything like me, they love like a little grab bag, like a little surprise bag of goodies. So I was thinking like a pack with some stamps, some papers, some embellishments. But I need to find the right size bag for those, and I'll need to create some sticker labels for those and make those up. And I've only left myself a couple of hours left of today, so I might do that over the next 2 evenings to get ready for Sunday. What else is there to do? And very exciting, we ordered a new roller banner from a company called Solo Press, and they had a super quick turnaround, so we only sent off the artwork on Wednesday night and today's Friday and it's just arrived, so I'm going to open that and see how it looks.
Go.
Okay, here it is. Comes in its own little bag. Oh my god, I pulled the zip off.
Nice, good start.
Yes.
Okay, so zip not the best quality.
Right. Also, I've never constructed one of these before.
You don't need to, I don't think, do you?
Laugh at me as I try to
Rotate the little leggies out on the bottom.
That's the pole to hold it up, right? I rotate the legs, yeah.
And then you'll just like...
We need the pole to hold it up.
I'm going to go this...
Does it fit?
Oh my god, it might not even fit in there. It'll have to be in the tallest part of the ceiling.
Oh, it is
It's
tall.
pretty close to the ceiling.
And then...
Why don't you bring it closer over here?
Oh, it's this way around. Oh, it's the moment of the reveal. Whoa, that looks good.
This is where we discover a massive typo.
Wow, that looks awesome.
Get the pole in the back. Yeah.
So it wouldn't actually go up in the loft, it wouldn't fit. So I moved it downstairs. Let's have a look.
Can you even reach the top?
Can I even reach? I cannot reach. But can you see the side? Does it look good? You see the rubber dress on the bottom?
You can, yeah.
Okay, well that's what it looks like.
Let me put it up properly.
There
we go.
Hey, that looks nice. Papercraft and planner supplies. Designed and made by us in the UK.
Zigged by us.
No, I checked it. And I put the hearts on. And then it says the products we make. And then it's got the web address at the bottom. I didn't want to make it too complicated.
We had an argument about this.
Oh yes, we had an
because
argument.
This is the UK spelling, the British spelling, but the American spelling only has one L.
But I don't know if it is British versus American or whether it just is... I don't know. Anyway, I'm really pleased with this. This banner was only £40 delivered, and I think it looks fantastic. I didn't want it to be too complex, and it's not. So I'm really pleased with it. Hello, I'm just packing up some of the paper packs which aren't in their packets yet. That's a lot of words. And we've swapped to these compostable clear bags. So we had plastic ones to begin with, and then we tried glassine, which is pressed paper, so there's no plastic in it. But these are getting kind of too damaged. And also I think customers who shop in person don't really like that it obscures the image. So we're trying these compostable ones, and they feel quite thin. They're like very filmy and flimsy, and they are designed to biodegrade, so they'll last. Well, the website says they should last a good amount of time, and they'll only biodegrade in the right conditions, i.e. like a compost heap. But they feel quite thin, so I'm hoping they don't kind of scratch or wrinkle or look raggedy once they've been carried around in the boxes to the fair and that. So we'll see how we get on with these, but I do feel better about them being more environmentally friendly. Hello. I completely forgot to film anything on the way here, like packing the car and everything out, but we've just set up our stand here at Stamperama, and the show's just opened, so customers are coming in, and I'm setting up our ad hoc system and trying to display samples, which is just some twine and some bulldog clips to hold them up. Got a badge. Yay. Oh, this is really close. Okay, good.
Super zoomed in.
It's halfway through the day, and we've been selling lots of stamps and papers, which is nice. We are on about £249 that we've taken, which is good. It cost us £120 to have the stand, so hopefully we'll sell more throughout the day. Last time we did this Papercraft Fair in Newbury in 2022, we took about £500, which is great. So I don't know if we'll make that today, but we'll see how it goes. People have been liking the bee garden papers, and we've also sold some mermaid treasures stamps and papers. We haven't sold any ephemera yet because I think it's hard for people to tell what it is in the glassine bags, and I haven't sold any of my Lucky Dip kits yet. We haven't sold any wooden embellishments or planners. We have sold some stencils, and we have sold some little bargain items that we've got. I have a little clearance section here, so it's got a few sequins in there, and then some of the stickers that were test designs. So yeah, mainly stamps and papers, and we've also signed up some people to our emails, which is great, so we can let them know about new products coming out, and one lady who is interested in workshops too, so I said I'll let her know when my next workshop is listed.
So you sold the last birthday dinos pack.
Oh yeah, and we just sold the very last birthday dinos paper pack.
It's gone.
So that's now gone, and so are all the birthday dino stamps. The only ones left I've put in the Lucky Dip bags because they're just the very last few. So yeah, birthday dinos is gone, it's done. And the bee garden stamps are all sold out as well, which happened at the last fair I did, the Mulberry Bush one. So yeah, we have bee garden papers left, but no more bee garden stamps, so that's really good. Yeah, so it is 10 to 1 now, so the fair is on to 3 o'clock, and yeah, we shall see what happens the rest of this afternoon. It's the end of the day and we're going to pack up now. I think we had a really good day and we met loads of lovely ladies, we talked to loads of people. We took £400, which I think is pretty good, so less the cost of the stand, which was 120, so I think that's a really good result for the day. We have sold out of our penguins and presents stamp set now as well, so that one is gone, and we sold plenty of papers, so yeah, overall I think we had a really good day. People also like the stickers that we've got, and yeah, I think we would do another Stamperama Fair again. It was a really lovely atmosphere, and everyone seemed to be having lots of fun buying craft supplies, so yeah, really good day. So on the way home now, we've packed up, we've squeezed everything into the car. This is my little Renault Zoe, so we've fitted everything into the back. It's 3:30, so we packed up really quickly. It doesn't take long for us to set up and pack up because we've got a simple setup, which is nice. So we're going to go and collect the kids. They've been with their grandparents all day, baking cakes and going out to feed the ducks and having a nice day. We're both pretty knackered. I think it takes us, I can't even talk.
It's 40 minutes back.
Yeah, it takes it out of us kind of chatting to people all day, and even though I think we both enjoy that, we're quite sociable. Tired. So I think this evening we've just planned that we're just going to try and watch a movie and chill out and sort out all the mess tomorrow. We do have some Etsy orders to do. One lady sent a message asking if she could have her stickers dispatched as soon as possible, and she paid for first class delivery, so I'll do those tonight, and then in between all are waking up we will attempt to watch a movie. But yeah, I think it was a good day. I had fun, and tomorrow I'll try and do a stock take of what we've got left in terms of stamps and papers. So bye for now.